So, kasama ko ngayon si Ate. Kumakain siya ice cream. Mamaya nakita yun ni Mama. Kanina guys, nakita kami ipis. Nagsigaw. Tapos piniter ko. Dami. Nagsigawan kami dahil sa ipis. Oo, ipis yan yun. Tapos sabi, doon sa ayaw mo ba? Sa school si Jaden maliit na ipis doon sa kanina upuan. Tapos sabi ni Tito, tapos sabi ni Tasmita, si Garcia, sabi mas mayakit pa yan sa'yo. So, bonding time muna tayo. So, langay sila Mama. Ikot sila, nagpunta. Kanin. Ano may nakita ko kanin.
At least patikim ako.
Okay. So, wait guys, this next I wonder if this is real. We're on the lava and we can just have a sun. Wait, it worked. Oh my god. Wait, we have sun blossoms. Oh my god. Yes, I'm safe. I want to go outside. Alright, the sun looks weird today. Now you might think lava's the best color. But
Diyan lang nagsigawan
you
ulit.
might think, does this work? And all I have to do is stand right here and apparently
Nag-glow up na tayo, guys. Ay, pusa, ina mo! Mag-tour ka, mag-tour. Fly!
This one? No way. Bro, okay, this is the sickest skin. It's completely glowing. Okay, this is so sick. What?
Uy! Dear!
Next thing it says that the gravity F ability has infinite range.
May chit sa loob! At tago-tagoan tayo dati. Yung radio wave. Yung dati. Yung dating ginawa natin. So, ayun mo talaga sabi mo. Basic shot natin. Akala niya hindi ko siya kita.
Will it still work? As you can see,
So, sino ba yung first
I can
seeker?
barely see it.
Ako! So, pag sa seeker,
Oh my god.
hindi pag sa hiker, siya hawak mo ng cellphone. So, ikaw muna. Ikaw, atlas! Sana!
Confirmed. This pretty much has infinite
Siya muna.
range. Next minute.
Ikaw muna yung Uy, ano kasi dito pa daw.
I guess I'm just gonna keep flying off. As you see, I see all the way up. I can't see that.
Ito na sa
Now
baba.
I have to
Ito na, yes.
and now use the V move.
Sabihin mo aking pagdo.
See?